guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with a pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So with that being said, look, I need 15 offers for $5. This video is so late. Like, I posted a video yesterday, ran back to Walmart to finish off my deals. Couldn't record because the store was too busy and it was just doing too much. And so I'm only here today to record this video for you guys. We did get a larger bonus with the weekend, and I think I need 50 offers for $10 and 10 offers for $5 for the weekend. So hopefully the weekend should be a breeze, hopefully. I did want to mention the coloring books. Like, I low-key figured that one wasn't gonna last long because I feel like that one never lasts long, and I know that on Upromise I only had 25 cents, so I really figured that it was gonna go fast because that was the only app that I only had 25 cents on. All the other ones was still $2. With the sister apps, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Tada, EasyBucks, Upromise, they do give us new offers on Sundays and the first of the month. So always check early morning to see what's new, because again, the best offers always go really fast. So keep that in mind. I did want to mention Upromise again because I have been using that one more recently, and that one is geared more towards saving for your child's education. So you do have to link an account. I link my regular bank account. And with that one, they automatically cash you out the first week of each month. So if you're using Upromise, or if you've been using it, they would have cashed you out yesterday, which was the first, which they cashed me out, which was cool. And I did have a couple of you guys that used my link, and I got like an extra bonus for that. So like my cash out yesterday was a lot higher than I expected it to be for Upromise. So I'm always thankful to you guys that do use my links, because I know that you don't have to use my links, but again, for those of you who do, I really appreciate it. And so with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you need to do, keep on watching and hit the like button, though.
Look, I tried these Hot Pocket, these protein ones. They are so good. I tried both flavors. And so I was like, I have to do these again. And they are big. They're pretty big. I put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes and then air fry it for like another 5-6 minutes. So freaking good. And so I'm going to be doing this deal again. It's priced at $2.37, getting back $1 on Ibotta. Now you might still have a bonus. I think it's 50 cents back when you buy 3. But I already done the bonus. I'm just going to go ahead and grab them because these are really good. So yeah. All right. So this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer. I can tell people have been doing this one right here because this was way out to here, like this one was yesterday. And so for this deal here, it's only Arm & Hammer. This deal popped back up on the sister apps. It'll probably pop up on Checkout 51 Sunday, to be honest. So it's priced at, well, they have the smaller boxes priced at 92 cents. Those do work with this offer. You'll get back $1.50. Makes it a 58-cent moneymaker, limit of 2. So you can grab 2 on one receipt, and you would get back $3. That receipt went straight through on all apps yesterday, except Upromise. Upromise, I did grab the bigger boxes because that store didn't have any more of the smaller ones. And so for that one, you grab one at $1.54, you get back $1.50, would make it 4 cents, which is still not bad for the 1 pound box. And so yeah, not a bad deal. Next up is the Berry Light. I've been doing this deal on repeat because I have a loyalty offer on aisle for $2 back when you buy 1. And so I went ahead and did a total of 3 of them separate and got back $2 for each one plus $1.25 on Ibotta. Makes it 22 cents. And then the final offer was for buy one get one free. So I grabbed 2 of them, paid $6.92, got back $3.46 on aisle, and then a total of $2.50 on Ibotta, which made the second or the final set 48 cents each. All right, so this is the only store that carries the gems, and they are like almost out. When I first did this deal, I think they were all the way to the floor. And now they have all these boxes here. These are priced at $1.97. I did need one more to hit my bonus of, I think it was 50 cents when you buy 4. And so I grabbed one at $1.97. I got back $1.50 on Ibotta. That includes the bonus plus $1 on one of the sister apps. So it made that one a 53-cent moneymaker, and then it reset for me again, and I went ahead and did another one. $1 on Ibotta, $1 on the sister app, made it a 3-cent moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Airwick. I actually really like when we get this deal on Ibotta. It's for $3 back, and it does work on the kits, which are priced at $3.97. You'll get back $3 on Ibotta. Now, I did one for Ibotta as well as Walmart Rewards, making it 97 cents each. You can grab this one. There's the linen one, and I think there's another one, but there's a Hawaiian one, I want to say. This one right here. But anyways, we also have a deal on the Glade warmer. It's a freebie with checkout 51. Now, I also have it on all the sister apps as well. So I'm going to try submitting there and see if I get that back. If I do, it'll make it $1.78 moneymaker. If not, it's still free. Still not a bad deal. At the same time, it's not something I necessarily need. And so, all right, so this next deal is on the Febreze. Keep your eyes peeled. Some of these are on clearance. When I came yesterday, I found, which one was it? I think I found the linen one on clearance for $2.98, but I only found one. So I got one at $2.98 and one at $3.24. But if you can find two of these at $2.98, you'll end up paying $5.96. You'll get back two different offers on Ibotta. One is $2 when you buy one. One is, I think, $1.50 when you buy two. So $3.50 total would make it a total of $2.46 for two of them. Are only $1.23 each. Now there is a scent down here that's on clearance as well, if you can find it. It's the one that goes here. I found it. It's right here. So it's $2.50 if you can find it. I found some on this little cardboard floating display, have you? So yeah, I found it on here. So if you can find this one, then you would pay what, $5, get back $3.50, get $1.50 for two, or 75 cents each, which is definitely not bad. If it resets on Ibotta, I'll definitely do it again. Next thing we're gonna do is gonna be on the all free and clear on the dryer sheets. This is on the 80 count. They are priced at $3.74. We'll be using this $2 coupon here that we got on the liquids the other day. It'll bring the total down to you paying $1.74. You'll get back 70 cents on Ibotta. Makes it only 99 cents. Okay, really quick. I was just over here and I said, let me check and see if this would work for the offers on sister apps. And it actually does. It's on the pure baking soda Arm & Hammer. What is this? 4-pound. It's on, what is that? Clearance miniature special for $3.28. And it does work for this offer here. So it would make it $1.78, which is not necessarily bad. I wonder if it would work on these. I'm gonna go see if it would work on these. I know this deal is already dead. I know that some of you guys were able to do the deal, which is really cool. And so for this, I did it on all the apps except Upromise. That was the only one. It was only 25 cents. I did do this one here for 75 cents. I grabbed two, paid $1.50, should be getting back $4, will make that a $2.50 moneymaker. And then all the other sets that I did were the Paw Patrol. So I paid $2, should get back $4. Well, it went through already, so yeah, I got back $4. I did Paw Patrol, and I did Spider-Man, and those receipts went straight through. Nothing went into review. Only one went into review was this one right here on Easy Bucks. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so I went ahead and decided to do the Eucerin again because it worked. It went through on the sister app. It did go into review for like 3 or 4 days, I want to say, but it did clear. And so I'll be grabbing this deal again. But let me mention this really, really quick. Keep your eyes peeled for $3 hang tags on the body wash, the Shea Moisture body washes. I'll pop up a picture. I found some yesterday for $3, which is really cool. I think they're good till the end of the year. But so yeah, so I went ahead and did Eucerin again. Since again, this is the lotion that Josiah uses. And so we grabbed one at $9.97. We grabbed one at $9.97 right here. The Advanced Repair. And I'm sorry I'm moving around so much. I just got a cramp. Oh my god, that hurt so bad. Oh my god, that hurt so bad. Oh my god, I just got a Charlie horse on my hamstring. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Damn, that hurt. Anyways, getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on checkout 51, and 3 on the sister apps. Makes it only 97 cents, which I think is a pretty awesome deal. Now, again, I submitted that receipt on Checkout 51 first. That's just how I do it. I know some people do it the other way around, but for me, Checkout 51 first, I wait for it to clear, and then I submit on the sister app. Sister apps, this particular offer is going into review, but it does clear, and so I did it again.
Oh my gosh, my allergies are kicking me in the butt right now. But this is our complete haul for today. Everything worked out good. I only had one coupon at Walmart that was for the all fabric sheets. It scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. The only deal I did at CVS, y'all, this week was the crest. And my store did not have a lot left. Like, as far as the higher price ones, they only had these 2 left. The recession one didn't work on Ibotta, but I went ahead and grabbed the deal anyways. I'll pop up the breakdown, but it made them like 95 cents for all 5, which I think is pretty, is a pretty good deal. All of the baking soda went through. The smaller ones did. Those 2 larger ones at the bottom, that one went into review. It does say $1 back, so hopefully I get the correct amount back. If I do, we're good. If not, they're definitely going back because I still have a gazillion from last time. As far as all of the coloring books, these all went through except the Food Pals. That one went into review, and that one says 25 cents. I do still have my screenshots, and so hopefully I get the correct amount. If not, again, those will be going back as well. All of the Glade is in review on the sister apps. I think it's 3 or 4 days review. Other than that, everything else went through for this haul, which was really cool. I'm gonna try to breeze through this because, like I said, my allergies are just on another level right now. And so everything you see here retails $116.73. I had $19 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $97.73. My sales tax today was $6.52, and they were getting back $31.29 from Ibotta. My points is $11. I did cash out for $10.62 on Brandclub. Swagbucks was $9.78 in box dollars, and Tada both were $8.78. Aisle is $7.46. Checkout 51 $6.56. Walmart Rewards was $6.48. Easy Bucks is $5.78. Upromise is $3, and then last but not least, $10 in extra care bucks. Brings our total back to $119.53. It makes this a $21.80 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Like, I'm about to have one of those Hot Pockets right now, and I low-key want to have 2 because I'm greedy. And I'll probably have them with some of those Miltons. Well, I already have a box open that I'm eating, so I'm so hungry right now. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button before you leave. And in the comments, I want to see a cat emoji if you made it to the end. Oh, really quick, I wanted to say really quick. I just hit over like 1,200 on Walmart Rewards, y'all, which is really awesome. In aisles, I'm at 1970. I'm almost at my year of birth. My year of birth. That sounded weird. I'm at 1970. That's crazy. How much are you guys on Walmart Rewards and aisles in the comments? Other than that, appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.